Okay, so the signal is closed, plus 0.6% profit ROI. Let's see. I've traded for 1523. It's 154244. We can sell it right now. So okay, and here's the profit. I bought it at 0.001533. Okay, and sold it at 0.001545. 0.7.8% ROI. That's it. This is how it works. Oh, I lost it. Here it is. Here it says 0.59. I got 0.78 because this program is based on averages, by averaging the exchanges. So it might be a bit different when you use Binance or whatever other exchange you want to use, and voila.